Some people might experience lower back pain. Today we're going to spend 20 minutes doing a gentle lower back release. Enjoy! Let's come into child pose. Sink your hips to your heels. Separate your knees as wide as the mat. And allow your chest to melt down. Each inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, melt your chest down. Now walk your arms to the right side. Keep sinking your left hip down. Feel the stretch on your left side of your body. Actively press your left shoulders down. Next inhale, back to center. Exhale to the left. Keep sinking your right hip down. Actively press your right shoulder down. Feel the stretch on your right side of your torso. Next inhale, back to center. And gradually come up to sitting. Place your palms down to mat. And come up to yogic squat. Turn your toes out, heels in. Join your palms in front of heart center. Use your elbows to push your knees out. Keep lengthening your spine. Stay here for 5 deep breaths. Now walk your left hand out to the side and raise your right arm to the sky. Begin to roll your right chest back. Gradually take your gaze up towards the sky. Use your left arm to push the left knee back. Keep rolling your right chest back. You can stay here, or if you have space, bend your elbows behind your back and bind your hands. Keep rolling your right chest back. Bring your left chest forward. Stay here for 3 more breaths. Next inhale, back to center. Join your palms in front of heart center. Now walk your right arm out to the side. On your next inhale, lift your left arm to the sky. Take your gaze up towards your left fingertips. Use your right arm to push your right knee back. And keep rolling your left chest back to open your chest. Each inhale, create space in your body. Exhale, bring your right chest forward, left chest back. If you did bind your hands in the last round, do so now. Stay here for 3 more breaths. Next inhale, back to center. And gradually sit down to mat, come into cross leg position. Now walk your left hand out to the side, raise your right arm up. Exhale, bend yourself to the left side. Roll your right chest to the sky. Gradually take your gaze up towards the sky. Keep stretching your right side body long. Straighten your right arm. Bring your right arm next to your right ear. And keep sinking your right hip down. Stay here for 2 more breaths. Next inhale, back to center. And switch side. Walk your right hand out to the side, left arm up. Exhale, bend to your right side. Begin to roll your left chest back and bring your right chest forward. Gradually take your gaze up towards the sky. Stretch your left side body as long as you can. Keep your left arm straight. See if you can sink further to your right. And keep sinking your left hip down onto the mat. Stay here for 2 more breaths. Next inhale, back to center. Now place your right hand on your left knee and left fingertips behind your back. Next inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, twist yourself to the left side. Bring your left chest back, right chest forward. Use your right hand to push your left knee to create more space. Take your gaze further to the left. Stay here for 2 more breaths. Next inhale, back to center. And switch side. Left hand on your right knee, right fingertips behind your back. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, twist. Use your left palm to push the right knee. Keep bringing your right chest back, left chest forward. Keep lengthening your spine. Twist from the bottom of your spine and your chest and your shoulders. Stay here for 2 more breaths. Next inhale, back to center. And gradually lie down onto your mat. Now bring your right knee into your chest. Hug your right knee. Flex your right toes. And actively press the left heel down onto your mat. Stay here for 3 deep breaths. Exhale, release, and switch side. Bring your left knee in. Hug your left knee into your chest. Flex your right toes. Actively press your right heel down to the mat. Stay here for 3 deep breaths. On your next exhale, release. Now bend your knees. Walk your feet in. Separate your feet hip width distance. On your next inhale, lift your hip up. Bring your chin to your chest. Now interlace fingers behind your back. Walk your arms in. Engage your thighs. Keeping your knees as wide as your hips. Keep lifting your chest up. Stay here for 3, 2, 1. Exhale down. Soft the feet together in butterfly legs. Let's repeat one more round. Draw your knees together. Walk your heels in. Separate your feet hip width distance. On your next inhale, lift your hip up. Interlace fingers behind your back. Walk your arms in. Keep lifting your hip up. Push your chest out. Bring your chest to your chin. Keeping your feet and your knees hip width distance. Push your hips up once more. Stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And release. Hug your knees into your chest. Roll yourself side to side. Back to center. Now use your hands to catch onto the outer side of your feet. And bring your knees to your armpits, heels over your knees. Begin to sink your knees down. Gradually apply more pressure with your hands. Stay here for 3 more breaths. Next inhale, gradually release. Now bend both knees. Keep your feet on the mat. Bring your right ankle on top of your left knee. Insert your right hand between your thighs. Interlace fingers behind your left thigh. And bring your left thigh to your chest. If you have space and want to go further, you can interlace fingers on top of your left shin. Actively bring your left thigh closer to your chest. And keep bringing your right knee to the sky. Stay here for 3 deep breaths. Next inhale, gradually release. And switch side. Bend both knees and keep your feet on the mat. Now bring your left ankle on top of your right knee. Insert your left hand between your thighs. Interlace fingers behind your right thigh. And bring your right thigh closer to your chest. If you do so on the other side, interlace your fingers on top of your right shin. Keep bringing your right thigh closer to your chest. and actively send your left knee to the sky. Stay here for 3 more breaths. Next inhale, gradually release. Now straighten your legs. Bring your legs together and open your arms to the side. Bring your right knee into your chest. Use your left hand to bring it to the left side and turn your head to the right. Keeping your right shoulder on the mat. And let gravity take your right knee down. Stay here for 3 more breaths. Next inhale, back to center and switch side. Bring your left knee into your chest. Use your right hand to bring it to the right side. Turn your head to the left. Keeping both shoulders on the mat. Gradually apply pressure with your right hand to sink your left knee down. Stay here for 3 more breaths. Next inhale, back to center and release. Let's repeat once more on each side. This time we'll be twisting in an eagle legs. Now cross your right leg on top of your left. Use your left hand to bring the knees to the left. Turn your head to the right. Keep both shoulders on the mat. Stay here for 3 more breaths. Next inhale, back to center and release. And switch side. Cross your left leg on top of your right. When you're ready, use your right hand to bring the knees to your right side and turn your head to the left. Last 3 breaths here. Next inhale, back to center and release.
Thank you for practicing with me today. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, press the bell button, and follow me on Instagram. See you next time.